Mom, can we build a sandcastle today?
Maybe later, sweetie. Eat your breakfast first.
This cottage smells like the sea.
That's because the sea is right outside the window.
It's so beautiful.
It is.
I want to live by the sea forever.
Forever's a long time, Lily.
Forever isn't that long if you like the place.
Fair point.
Finish your toast. We'll walk to the beach after.
Can we bring the kite?
If the wind isn't too strong.
The sky is so dark. It's only lunch day.
Storms move fast here. Stay close, okay?
Okay, Mom. Look, the wind is bending the trees.
That is a big storm. Bigger than yesterday's.
Fly 3 goals. Next bat.
The radio said strong winds tonight. Maybe we stay inside.
But we wanted to go to the beach.
Not today, buddy. Today is a stay inside day.
That was loud.
It's okay, sweetheart. Just thunder.
Can thunder hurt the house?
No. Our house is strong. We are safe here.
Look! The lighthouse light!
What about it?
It's gone!
Gone? Maybe it turned off.
Lighthouses don't turn off. Not in a storm. That's exactly when people need them most.
Then something is wrong.
Someone's at the door.
Sorry to bother you. I'm Finn. I work at the harbor.
Is everything all right?
The lighthouse lost power. The storm hit the wires. That's terrible timing.
There's worse. A fishing boat went out this morning. They're not back yet.
Not back?
Captain Reyes and his young deckhand, Mateo, just the two of them.
Does Mateo have a family?
A little sister, about your age, Lily. She's waiting at the harbor right now.
She must be so scared.
Without the light, they won't find the way in.
What happens if they don't find it?
I don't want to think about that.
We have to help.
It's dangerous tonight.
Children, stay close to me.
We're coming. With you, Finn.
It's so windy. I can barely walk straight.
Hold my hand, both of you.
My umbrella! It's gone! It's flying away!
Bye, umbrella.
Forget the umbrella. Watch your step, it's muddy.
Whoa!
Oh, got you, buddy.
That was close.
That's why we hold hands.
Almost there, just up this hill.
I don't like the storm.
You're being very brave.
Why does the lighthouse matter so much?
A lighthouse does one job. It tells boats where the land is. Without it, a boat in the dark doesn't know which way is safe.
Like a giant lamp that says, home is this way.
Like a candle in the window.
Exactly like that.
Then we have to turn it back on.
That's the plan.
How will Captain Reyes know it's our light and not just any light?
Every lighthouse blinks its own pattern. Ours blinks 3 short, 1 long. Sailors learn to read it like a name.
Like our light is saying hello.
Exactly like that. Here. The wires are loose. The storm pulled them apart.
Can we fix it?
I think so. I need another set of hands.
I'll hold the light steady.
I can hold the toolbox.
I want to help too.
You can watch for the boat. That's an important job.
I'll watch really hard.
Almost. Just one more wire. Careful, the wind is strong up here.
There. Try it now.
It didn't work.
Wait. Give it a second.
It's on!
The light is on!
Follow the light. Find your way home. That's it. That's exactly it.
Now what?
Now we watch. And we wait.
Lily, do you see anything?
Just rain. And dark water.
What if they already sank?
Don't think like that, Sam. The light just turned on. There's still time.
He's right. Boats are stronger than they look.
Were you ever lost, Dad?
Once, on a hiking trip before you were born, I couldn't find the trail for almost an hour.
Were you scared?
Very scared. Until I saw a light from a farmhouse far away. I just walked toward it.
And it worked?
It worked. A small light can mean a lot when you don't know where you are.
That's exactly what we're doing for them right now.
I see something!
Where?
There, a little light far out.
That could be them, or it could be a reflection.
Is it moving?
No, it's staying in the same place.
That's just the harbor buoy. Keep watching.
Oh, I was so sure.
It's all right. You're doing a good job watching.
There! Another one! And this one is moving!
It is! Look, it's getting bigger!
That's a boat light. That's them.
They saw it! They saw the lighthouse!
Follow the light, find your way home.
You said that already.
Because it's true twice.
They're heading for the harbor.
Are they safe now?
Almost. The light will guide them the rest of the way.
We should go down. Meet them at the dock.
Let's go!
There it is. There's the light. I thought we were lost for good.
You found your way. Because someone turned the light back on.
We just fixed some wires. That's all it takes sometimes. Just enough light to know which way is home.
Mateo, you're here!
I told you I'd come back.
I watched the harbor the whole night.
So did I, from out there. I just watched for the light instead.
I watched for you the whole time, too.
Then I owe you a thank you, little one.
We were scared, too.
Scared, but you still climbed that hill in a storm.
We couldn't just do nothing.
Not everyone would climb a hill in a storm for a stranger.
Anyone would do the same.
Not everyone, but good people do.
Are you hurt?
Just cold and tired and very glad to be standing here.
Let's get you something warm to drink.
Can we hear about the boat?
Tomorrow, when the storm is gone, I'll tell you everything. Tonight, I just want to say thank you.
You're welcome.
Follow the light. Find your way home.
I think I'll remember that for a long time.
We should head back too. It's still raining.
I'm tired.
Good tired?
Good tired.
That means you did something that mattered today.
Tonight, a stranger was lost in the dark, and a little light brought him home.
We helped fix that light. I watched the whole ocean for him.
And none of us did it alone.
That's how it should be.
The sun is back. Look, Captain Reyes is here.
I brought you something. Fresh fish, caught this morning before the storm.
You didn't have to do that?
I wanted to. It's a small thank you for a very big help.
My sister wanted to come too. She made you this drawing.
A lighthouse, with all of us standing next to it.
That's you watching for the boat.
I love it. I'm putting it on my wall. Can we go see the lighthouse again? In the daylight this time?
I think that's a great idea. I'll show you how the lamp turns. It's even better up close.
Looks like our quiet beach trip turned into quite an adventure.
The best ones usually do.
Can we still build that sandcastle?
Yes, right after the lighthouse.
Now, I have a question for you. What did Oliver say every time the lighthouse helped someone find their way? Think about it for a moment. Tell us your answer in the comments. See you next time.